Good day, gentlemen and ladies. My subject of my video tonight, we are the 29th of April 2023. It's about a hidden feature in regard of the go plug of my Mahindra eMax 20s HST tractor. Inside under that hood, there's an outstanding Yanmar diesel engine, and that diesel engine is equipped with obviously go plugs and go plug is it's basically a heater warm up where it's gonna spray from the diesel injector or the injector itself, basically. So it will the fume coming up, the spray coming up from the diesel will be better vaporized, and so when the compression of the piston reach a certain point, it will detonate, basically. So, and I want to talk to you about these outstanding go plug that they install on these engines. All right, stick around. You will be very surprised what I'm going to show you. Cheers. All right, folks. So I'm going to show you the dash panel of the tractor directly, and I'm going to indicate, show some information, and then I will demonstrate to you what I'm talking about. Okay, once you start your go plug, you're obviously going on the opposite side of starting the go plug, and then usually I count 10 seconds inside my garage. If I'm outside in cold environment, like I cut wood and I leave the tractor outside for a couple of let's say an hour or two, I will count more than 15 seconds. But what I discover over the years, no matter how long that I count, could be 5 seconds like in warm weather, or I don't count at all. If the engine is warm, it's not gonna happen. But if the engine starts to get cold, that that hidden feature will appear. Okay. And what I'm telling you is, when I crank the engine, despite of how long I count the go plugs on, the go plug will remain on until it reaches a certain temperature, and then it will shut down. And the way you're going to see that is by the, I hope you were able to hear the RPM. Obviously the RPM is low, and then when the light cut off, then you heard the RPM going up. Why? Because the alternator doesn't have the load of the go plug. Okay, so I'm going to point towards these the indicators on the panel. Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna put the switch on so you can see what's going on. If I put the lights on, yeah, then you see that. So here the indicator, I'm just gonna put it right. Okay, be stable. Sorry about that. This is the battery. This is the go plug. All right. This is the lights, and this is the pressure. Obviously the tank is full. The RPM, the hours. You can see how many hours I've got. I have 505.3. Now I'm going to put the go plug. See the light shut down. Now I'm going to put the go plug on. All right. And what I'm going to do is just shut down the light. All right. So I'm going to put the go plug on. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to start the engine, and then take a look when that light here is going to disappear. All right. So I hope you were able to catch the difference of the RPM. I can hear it. I don't know if the camera, but I'm gonna start it again. But before, I need to open the door. There were people having too much fun outside. Just hold on. All right, so I'm gonna do it again now with the back door open, because it's not good. Be aware that each time you start the engine, CO2, it's odorless. You cannot see it, but it's very toxic. Okay, so let's try that again. All right, so now I'm just gonna put the go plug in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'm going to start it. So I hope you heard it, and I keep my hand. I hope you believe me. I have my hand busy with the tripod. The other one I'm showing at the camera, but I'm not touching the RPM. I know there's some guys that, oh, you're tricking. No, no. So you see the light. So I'm trying to find the research. I found that about 2-3 years ago, but I don't have the mechanical, not the maintenance manual, but the technical manual on the engine itself. But I ask a lot of questions, and that's what it is they have a sensor in there. So when the temperature reach a certain point, then it shut down the go plug. So that way they make sure that the diesel spray it's at the optimum by the electrical heater go plug basically. So I hope you you like my short video about that idiot feature, and please, all the Mahindra eMax owner, let me know, and other Mahindra or other tractor, if you have the same thing, let me know. When you start the engine, is the go plug are still on, and the only way you can hear it is the rise up of the RPM, since the alternator is not it's not having that load. It's a lot of current heat up those three injectors, go plugs. There are some diesel engine they have the go plugs and the injector in the same. Some are separated, depending on what type of diesel engine. There's various type of go plugs. So please do take care of yourself. Yes, life is good. Okay, tell you that. All right. Cheers. Bye bye. Yes, for those of one of you about the where I'm up to the chainsaw, I received the parts. I have the clutch, the tube, the gasket sealant, rubber to so I have no more fuel leak. And I forget the name of the guy fixing these chainsaw, but Leon's Chainsaw Repair. He's got his own chainsaw video, and he's got also parts. Hey, I mean, within 2 weeks, I have the parts. It was great. It's coming from, I think he's in Arizona, in California, somewhere like that. All right. So, cheers.